You come down the stairs, then yeah, just you be my model. And then under the stairs, we knocked it through. Don't make noises! And then you look through the hole. It is just a fucking staircase. What the fuck? And a door. Don't make noises. I have to fucking live here.
It's a, yeah, it is, isn't it? Yeah. We weren't going to. Well, it's gone.
Shine a light down there.
Fuck?
Shine the light down there. Oh. Alright. Through even further.
How the fuck did you get through that hole?
With great difficulty.
I was going to say.
Oh, you do. Right, let's go.
Careful, I mean, you're on the brink.
Shut up, man. Okay. What you're
Have
saying?
you got a mask? Because you don't know what's down here.
I haven't got. Well, I've just been getting.
Is if you have a look, it goes down even further.
What, another staircase?
Yeah.
Shut up, man. What about the water?
Oh, can you grab that one? Okay.
What?
It's as big as your flat down here.
Oh my god.